Hello everyone! I bring good news. Not too long ago, we announced the launch of our first co-branded e-learning lessons, the e-learning of videography. We invited Holy Land, the #1 producer of wireless HDMI transmitter and wireless microphone, to partner with us to bring the cost down for this e-learning. So instead of paying this price, our subscribers now just need to pay this price. And here's the good news, we have launched it yesterday. And the good news is, we promised 17 video lessons, and during production we have exceeded that numbers. And if you head on to my website now, check out this course. The price is this. It's one of the most affordable e-learning courses that you can see in the world of e-learning online. Take opportunity of this. And for that, I'd like to say a big thank you to Holy Land for making this possible. So hurry, sign up now and learn how to turn photography to videography, how to upgrade your skill, learn about resolution, why it matters, and how to make use of big resolution numbers like 2K and 4K. It is not about loading the whole footage there, but learning how to use it to move in post-production. Learn about frame per second, why it matters and why it shouldn't break your videos. Learn how to set up your camera correctly from frame per second to shutter angle, shutter speed, aperture, and use your ISO effectively. Learn how to add light to balance the exposure in situation where the backlight is so strong. Learn the step-by-step ways that you have with focusing, and then learn how to turn a story to a script, to a screenplay, to a monologue, dialogue, and then break down your shots and scenes and turn them into storyboard effectively, and learn how to be creative on filming days. Learn how to work with your actors. Learn how to save a shot when it comes to a bad take, and learn how to put this all effectively into editing and get yourself amazing videos. Not only that, you learn how to make short films, interviews, and all the basic rules, and learn how to get started with videos so that you can work alone and progress to working with a small crew and even working with big international crew. So hurry, I'd like to invite you to head on to this website, check out this product, and Holy Land, thank you for supporting this course. You shouldn't miss this offer.